Hey developers, Thomson Reuters is hiring for the software engineer role, and the job location is Bengaluru, and it is a full-time opportunity. And this job is hybrid, means 2 to 3 days a week you have to go office, then work from home. Talking about your role, responsible for the analysis, definition, design, construction, testing, installation, modification, and maintenance of the properly engineered information system containing software as the major component to meet agreed business needs. And you can read here the skills they want from you. The key area of focus for the position is serving as a software engineer for a multi-year project to deliver new and re-engineered systems using AWS and its capabilities with excellent proficiency in Python, Groovy, JavaScript, and Angular. Means these skills they require Python, Groovy, JS, and Angular with AWS. And other details you can read here, like maintain and update with Agile dashboard for accurate tracking of own tasks. The other information you can read here, these are the highlight skills they want. Move to the below. Hybrid work model. We adopted a flexible hybrid working environment, 2 to 3 days a week in the office depending on the role. Yeah, okay. So apply now. For more updates, subscribe to the channel and comment below if required any information.